Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OPZ token. Now this is a very brand new token. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project. And also they are having a pre-sale, and I am going to leave a link to the pre-sale down there in the description box and in the comment section so you guys can easily find the pre-sale. Their webpage is OPZ.com. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, like I said, the pre-sale will be linked down there in the description box and in the comment section so you guys can easily find this project. Their webpage, OPZ.com. If you go to OPZ.com/presale, that's where the pre-sale is. Or just click on the link down there, either one. It says stage 1 right now, and there's still 86 days until the listing and launch of the OPZ token. So you got a lot of time to go check out this pre-sale. 86 days from me uploading this video, of course. And they've already raised $309,513 dollars, and their goal for this phase here is $420,000. One OPZ equals basically 2.8 cents right now. And you can connect your wallet to the page and you can buy this token with either BSC or ETH. There could be other options as well, but those are the two main ones that pop up. So you need like a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet with ETH or BSC. And yeah, so what is this project all about here? Well, it says the OPZ wallet is our answer to the growing need for a more user-friendly and resilient self-custodial wallet. Powered by our KeyFusion protocol, this is a form of MPC multi-party computation. This wallet combines advanced security features with intelligent AI-driven insights. Traditional self-custody solutions present significant usability and security challenges. Users often struggle with managing and safeguarding their phrases, leading to the risks or loss or theft of assets. The OPZ wallet, utilizing advanced MPC technology, overcomes these challenges by providing a simple-to-use self-custodial wallet without compromising the security that is fundamental to its purpose. Some of the key features of the OPZ wallet, number 1 is ease of use. It's designed with the user in mind, so the OPZ wallet simplifies managing digital assets. It eliminates the need for users to store and remember complex phrases, including the risk of asset loss. Web3 and DApp integration, so secure interaction with decentralized technology by multi-factor authentication. This allows users to fully leverage the benefits of blockchain and smart contract functionality without compromising the security of their assets. Also, advanced artificial intelligence technology, introducing OPZ AI, where the future of crypto analysis means staying ahead, covering over 10,000 coins with real-time actionable insights. And they have the OPZ Decentralized Exchange, so first of its kind platform that leverages the robustness of Bitcoin's Layer 2 to offer decentralized spot and derivatives products. So the advantages over traditional custodial solutions, striking a balance between user autonomy and security. Unlike traditional exchanges and custodial services, OPZ empowers users with control over their assets without the typical complexities and risks associated with self-custody. OPZ's mission is to accelerate the transition to self-ownership of assets by bridging the gap between the cryptocurrency industry and the traditional financial world. This includes simplifying the key management process, providing clear guidance, and developing more intuitive interfaces that meet users' expectations of traditional banking and online financial services. So they have a roadmap starting here. They started all the way back in 2022 with the beginning of the OPZ wallet, team formation, proof of concept, conceptualizing KeyFusion protocol, initial development phases, designing user interface, and strategic planning. And then they had the enhancements of the KeyFusion protocol, OPZ wallet feature integration, development of the OPZ NFC technology, preparation for beta testing, documentations release, bug bounty program, and security enhancements. Then we have the completion of KeyFusion protocol development, implementation of the ECDSA signing process, development of the Schnorr EDDSA signing, multi-chain support integration, Android app finalization, DEX planning and testing, and referral system. And then just in Q4 last year, 2023, launch of the OPZ wallet Android app, the release of our DApp browser, development and introduction of OPZ NFC card, the key features of the OPZ NFC card, security and ease of use, social login and cloud backup integration, integration of Go Plus security APIs, token security API, malicious address API, DApp security API, the V2 of the UI and UX update, preparation for iOS app release, demo of the decentralized exchange. And then moving on into this year, we have the OPZ AI, so that is done. And then coming up next, we have the iOS app launch, marketing team expansion and outreach initiatives, pitching to tech giants and founders, launching comprehensive marketing campaigns, community engagement and brand building. Then the implementation of the AI-driven analytics and trading assistance tools, so that is done already. And then they're going to have more integration with Solana, BRC20 tokens, Lightning Network compatibility, Nostr protocol integration, WebLN integration, expanding to additional networks. And then they go all the way into 2025, full decentralization, continual improvements of OPZ AI, and basically marketing, community building, and improvements of everything else. So they have some security sections here on their white paper. You can check out their white paper at whitepaper.opz.com for more information there. And there's just tons of information over there. So the OPZ token has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And it's split up basically 14% to trading rewards program, 7% liquidity providers program, 8% staking rewards, so you can stake the token, 15% community treasury, 6% airdrop, 12% investors, 8% team and founders, 0.8% advisory board, 20% presale, 2% employee incentive plan, and 7.2% reserved for new strategic investments. So go check out this project. Like I said, I'm going to leave links down there. Twitter will be in the corner of the screen. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? You still got 86 days to go check this out before the pre-sale's done. You got a lot of time here. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And don't forget to check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.